Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one I'll be showing you guys how can you access your personal access tokens, how can you add them on your GitHub profile. So let's jump right into it. First of all, make sure to open up GitHub on your preferred web browser. So once you're on the dashboard or on the home page, in the top right corner you'll click on your profile icon and down here click on settings. Now, from the left-hand side menu, you'll scroll all the way down until you see the developer settings. And in the developer setting, there will be two settings available. So the apps or the personal access tokens. You'll click on the PAT tokens, click on fine grain or the classic ones. And to get it, you'll generate a new one and click on GitHub API, which will now redirect you to a page. So essentially, this is where you will create your personal access tokens. You can also do this one. And to generate it, click on generate, give its name, description, and all the stuff you need to fill will be on this page. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.